Congratulations on completing this course. I hope I have been able to help you take that first step towards Python programming. You now have a very strong understanding of the basics of Python. But well, we have just scratched the surface of Python and there is a long way to go. You might now ask me, what next? Where do I go from here? Now the answer to that question depends on your area of interest. Now if you're interested in web development, you could pick up frameworks such as Flask or Django that work beautifully at the backend. Python is also heavily used at automating various tasks. There are a lot of packages in Python that help you do that. If you're interested in IoT, which is also called Internet of Things, then you could get yourself an Arduino board or a Raspberry Pi and play around with it using Python. But the skills that are hot in the market right now at the time of creation of this course in 2017 are the skills of a data scientist. Now, why are these skills so important? Say you've bought something on Amazon. Amazon gives you a suggestion that says people who bought this also bought that. So by looking at that, you go ahead and you buy that. What you just did was to increase the revenue of Amazon. Data scientists understand the buying behaviors of people and help increase the revenue of their employer. Python is used in almost every field possible, so make a Google search to know which field you're interested in and pick up accordingly. So that's the end of this course. If you found this course to be helpful, please do share your rating and review. They motivate me to create more courses. And if you want me to make any changes to the curriculum of this course, let me know. I'll try and incorporate those changes. And any help that you need, feel free to contact me and I'll get in touch with you. This is your instructor Febin George signing out. It was wonderful being with you. Thank you.